Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Conversation.
This podcast is for beginners and ESL learners who want to speak English confidently at work.
In today's episode, we're talking about office emails, phone calls, and daily office requests.
The English is slow, clear, and easy to understand. So relax, listen carefully, and practice along.
Let's get started. Lily, how's your work going today?
It's going okay, but honestly, I need to write a few office emails today.
That's completely normal. Emails are a big part of office life.
I always worry about my English when I write emails.
No worries. Office emails don't need perfect English.
Really?
Yes, simple and clear English works best.
How should I start an email?
Start with hi or hello and the person's name.
Like, hi, John.
Exactly. That's friendly and professional.
What about the subject line?
Keep it short and clear. For example, meeting update or file request.
I sometimes write long subject lines.
Short subject lines are better. People read emails quickly at work.
That makes sense.
What is your email about today?
I need to ask a coworker for a file.
Then you can write, could you please send me the file?
That sounds polite.
Yes, always use please in office emails.
Sometimes I write very long emails.
That's common. Try to keep emails short and focused.
Why is that important?
Because people don't have much time to read long emails.
How do I end an email?
You can write, thank you, best regards, or kind regards.
I usually write thanks.
That's okay in most offices. What about subject lines? Keep them short and clear. For example, meeting update or file request.
I sometimes write long subject lines.
Short subject lines are better. People read emails quickly at work.
That makes sense.
What is your email about today?
I need to ask a coworker for a file.
Then you can write, could you please send me the file?
That sounds polite.
Yes, always use please in office emails.
Sometimes I write very long emails.
That's common. Try to keep emails short and focused.
Why is that important?
Because people don't have much time to read long emails.
How do I end an email?
You can write, thank you, best regards, or kind regards.
I usually write thanks.
That's okay in most offices.
I feel more confident about emails now.
You're doing great. Sam, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Phone calls make me very nervous.
You're not alone. Many people feel the same way.
I'm scared I won't understand the other person.
That's okay. You can always ask them to repeat.
What should I say when I answer the phone?
You can say, hello, this is Lily speaking.
That sounds professional.
It is.
What if I don't hear clearly?
Say, sorry, could you repeat that?
I like that sentence.
You'll use it often.
What if the caller speaks very fast?
You can say, could you please speak a little slower?
Is that polite?
Yes, very polite.
What about voicemails?
Keep voicemails short and clear.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Hi, this is Sam from the operations team. I'm calling about your email. Please call me back.
That sounds easy.
Simple voicemails are best.
I always thought phone English was very difficult.
It feels difficult at first, but practice helps.
Do you ever hesitate to ask for help?
Yes, I don't want to disturb people.
That's very common.
But sometimes I really need help.
And that's okay. Offices are about teamwork.
How can I ask for help politely?
You can say, could you help me with this, please?
That sounds respectful.
It is. What if someone doesn't reply to my email?
Then you can send a follow-up.
What should I write?
You can write, just following up on my earlier email.
That doesn't sound rude.
It's not rude if you're polite.
I was worried about that. Just don't send too many follow-ups.
Good point.
I want to sound polite, not demanding.
That's very important in office English.
How can I do that?
Use could you and please.
For example,
Could you please review this document?
that sounds polite.
Yes, tone matters a lot.
What about saying thank you?
Always say thank you.
Even for small things?
Yes, it builds good relationships at work.
I sometimes forget.
It happens. Just try to remember.
I feel more confident speaking at work now.
You should. You're doing really well.
I appreciate that. Thanks for listening to Easy English Conversation.
Keep practicing and don't worry about making mistakes.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe.
We're here to help you speak English with confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.